This is how to hide files in Windows 11 with password. First, find the file or folder you want to hide. Right-click it and select Properties. In the Properties window, make sure you're on the General tab. Under Attributes, check Hidden, then click Apply and OK. Your file or folder is now hidden from the normal File Explorer view. If you hide a folder, the files and subfolders inside it will also be hidden. To see the hidden file or folder again, open File Explorer. In Windows 11, you can go to View, then Show, and turn on Hidden Items. You can also use File Explorer options by clicking the three dots at the top, selecting Options, opening the View tab, and selecting Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Then click Apply and OK. Your hidden files will now appear. To make a hidden file visible again permanently, right-click it, select Properties, uncheck Hidden, and click Apply and OK. But there is something important to understand. Simply hiding a file does not password protect it. Anyone who knows how to show hidden files can find it. So, if you want real password protection, the better option is to create a password-protected archive. Windows 11 does not provide a simple built-in option for adding a password to an archive. So, in this example, we will use WinRAR. You can free download and install this on your PC or laptop. WinRAR is a very popular and powerful archiver extractor tool and can open all popular file formats. First, right-click the file or folder you want to protect. If you're using the newer Windows 11 context menu, click Show More options. Then select WinRAR and choose Add to Archive. A WinRAR window will appear. Look for the Set Password button and click it. Now enter the password you want to use. You may see an option to show the password, which you can use to make sure you typed it correctly. If available, you can also enable Encrypt file names for additional privacy. WinRAR supports password encryption for RAR archives, including encryption of the file names. Once you have entered your password, click OK, and then click OK again to create the archive. Wait a moment while WinRAR creates the password-protected file. When it is finished, double-click the new archive and try opening one of the files inside it. You should be asked for the password. This is a good way to confirm that your files are actually protected before removing the originals. Once you have confirmed that the password-protected archive works, you can delete the original unprotected files or folders if you no longer need them. Right-click the original file or folder and select Delete. If you have several files, you can hold the Control key while selecting them and then delete them together. But be careful. Make sure you have successfully tested the protected archive first, because deleting the originals means you will rely on the password-protected archive as your copy. Also, remember your password. If you forget the password, you may not be able to access the protected files. For important personal files, it's also a good idea to keep a backup in a safe location. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe.